I'm going to see today one real-time scenario. If a particular user wants to do something with some user authorization, but he doesn't have some authorization to use some particular transaction. In that case, the functional people will ask the basis consultant to look for the users who are all using the particular transaction. So on the situation, we have to check overall the users using the particular transaction. We have to check, and we have to tell them to do this role as by their request. So we need to check who are all using the particular transaction. For that, the transaction code for that is or is it no or not or is it SUIM. It is user information system. Here you can see, right, it is called user information system. Here go under role, go under user complex selection criteria, and then by transaction authorization. If you go there, you have to enter the particular transaction which the functional consultants required to find out the particular transaction whichever the user is using. So if a functional consultant is asking for a particular transaction, like overall the users using the particular transaction, for example SU01, the functional consultant wants to know who are all the users currently using SU01. So we have to enter the transaction code in the transaction code field. So we have to execute it. Once execute that, it will show the users who are all using the particular transaction SU01. So these many users are currently using the particular transaction. So okay, so we have to tell the function consultant so that these are the persons which we are using. So go and approach them to find your issues. Okay. This is one kind of real-time scenario which happens in organization. So just wait for some other real-time scenarios. I will work on it, and then I will give you more real-time scenarios in this channel. So please subscribe. Thank you.